Hey guys, welcome to my video. So one more day of progress is done. So today was supposed to be the final inspection, but unfortunately the inspector emailed today morning that because of his busy schedule he cannot come today, so probably he's gonna come tomorrow. That's what the contractor said because he has booked one more inspection. But anyway, I'm gonna show the progress. So if you remember in yesterday's video I said that today they are gonna like close this tab so that they don't have to show the cut in the drywall in the basement for the valve to this garage tap. So now you can see they have closed the tap and I found the tap in the garbage. Let's go to the basement and see if they have done any changes. Now I'm going to basement, but I want to show one more. You see this outlet of some pump. This was extended after the recommendation from the officer. Okay, one thing I don't like here is that whoever was here last has left the lights open. This shouldn't be the case. Who's gonna? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna get in now. So in the furnace room I don't see any changes. It's same like yesterday. Let me cover the other areas of the house. Okay, this was another recommendation that finally it is done. Coming to the laundry area, yeah, so these drywalls I had shown you yesterday, so that's good. Now coming to the main master bedroom. Okay, the flooring, everything is wrapped up, and I think I should turn the light on. Even that floor clean out is clearly visible. That's gonna help if there's flooding in the basement. Okay, so I think based on my memory it is ready, but we will come to know only tomorrow if we are lucky. See this door, it has been completely replaced and now it looks much better. So let's see tomorrow guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.